This is the kit with DigiRail NXprog and RHT climate. This is the DigiRail NXprog and this is the RHT climate. DigiRail NXprog has USB port for programming. On the bottom, it has power supply entry and RS485 Modbus port. It has also Ethernet port, but using Ethernet will be kept for another video. Please go to Nova's website, then go to Products, I/O Modules, search for the DigiRail NXprog, and click on it. This is the DigiRail NXprog page, where you can check the information of the product and all related documentation on the bottom. The product flyer, the user manual, the I/O configuration software and experience, the starter guide, and finally, the Arduino application example. Click to download it. It's a zip file. Extract it to a folder. Go to the folder and run the Sketch Arduino example. The IDE Arduino will open up. Compile the sketch to test integrity. Compile and linking done successfully. Now, we will check the information of the RHT climate. Going back to Nova's website, go to Product, Humidity and Temperature, and click on it. Search the RHT climate and click on it. So, this is the RHT climate page, where you can check the information of this product. All related documentation is on the bottom, the user manual and the commercial flyer. Other related documents can be also found here. But let's open the manual of RHT climate and find the serial communication chapter. Serial communication is on chapter 10. This is the holding registers Modbus table. The variables of interest are the first 10 registers, which are the relative humidity, temperature, and dew point. The same structure is built on the code. We built a struct with 5 variables read from the table. This is the function to read and cast to 32-bit variables. And in the loop function, the variables are presented in the console once a second. So, now let's compile and run the application. The IDE will compile and load the application on the DigiRail NXprog. Let's open the console and see the running result. When IDE finishes the application loading, it starts automatically. And that's it! The application is running on the DigiRail NXprog, and it is performing the serial reading of RHT climate. The variables are presented in the console once a second. So, those are the variables to be read: the dry bulb temperature, the relative humidity, and the dew point. The communication status can be seen in the COM status, and in the DigiRail NXprog in the COM LED blinking. So that's it. Thanks for watching.